Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Superbox Cheese and I am going to give you some daily tips and tricks on what to do on your Superbox so you can try to get it to run efficiently. I'm going to start off with using an S4 Pro, which is an older model. I think I've had this box already for about 3 years now, 2 or 3 years, and it's still working great. So down here in the FN, this is your favorites. You use this to pick a number on your remote and you put the apps that you want for the number to open up. So as soon as you open up your box, you hit a number. I'm going to hit the number 1 on my little keyboard. It's got to go straight to live TV. Quick and easy. By the way, I love using a mini keyboard on the Superbox because it makes everything nice and easy. Here you go. See the favorites. Got the Raiders on there, of course. So quick and easy with the little mini remote. Another thing I want to show you too is this is daily. I do this daily. I clean my system daily. Make sure I get to a 0. So do it again. Once I see a 0, there it is. I'm clean. You can also come in here, go to the apps, and clean it up one by one. Clear cache. Right there, it's clear. You can do every single app, especially right before a sporting event, pay-per-view. You want to make sure so that way there's no interruptions during the game or the event. One thing I want to show people about picking a movie is I've heard some people say that when they hit play, the movie and the voice is not together. So you do is hit settings right there. Come over here to play speed. And this is what I do. I go 125, go up to 75, and I go back down to normal. And that usually fixes my situation. But you can play with it until you're done, until you get it situated. And that really works pretty good for me. I haven't had no other issues with my movies, on VOD especially. So now I'm going to switch over to another box, which is the Elite Ultra, last year's model. And I want to show you that in here, I also do the same. And always clear the cache, get it going. Always check to make sure that everything is up to date. I'm going into the App Store daily. Since these are my daily drivers, I don't have cable. All I use, and I don't stream. I don't have no other apps. This is what I have. I don't pay for nothing else. I just use my Superbox. And I make sure that everything is up to date. I have everything that I need downloaded. Come on over. Watch my live TV. Quick and easy.
You're probably going to want to take a good soft tack with him, especially.
I'm going to go to a Spanish channel that I know that's been having kind of issues the last couple of days, or a week I should say, and I want to go to this channel because I want to show you what I do and what everybody else should do, as well as if they're experiencing this. As you can see, the 14s come into it. With the actual remote, I hit the we'll go into it. I hit right on the right button to go to this settings, and I send them a little message right here that it's not playing. And in turn, what else I do is take a picture of the channel, of what it's showing, and then I send it off to customer service, which on this older box it doesn't have customer service on here, but on the newer boxes it does. And I'll switch over to that newer box now so you can see what I'm referring to. Okay, so in here, come over here, there's customer service. I usually use WhatsApp, but you have 3 different forms of communicating with them. And send it to the WhatsApp customer service, take a picture of everything I need, and then I send it to them. On the new boxes, it does have something slightly different, where you can communicate with them a little bit more to get them so that way it's real time on what's going on with one of their channels. Let's see, let's go over here back to the Latino channel. This is one of my favorite Mexican channels, by the way. And I'm in here, and on this remote it is a little different. It's the menu button on the remote to open up that when you come down, which they added parental controls here and the customer service right there. So I'm come in here, I'm going to let them know that it's not playing, it can't play, and then I'm going to go back in here, take a picture of that channel and just say, hey, this is what's going on. And I send it to them here. So this is what's going on. It's not working. So those are quick daily tips and tricks that I use for my box. I also do you can also do a check on your speed check on your Wi-Fi to make sure that your Wi-Fi is up and it's running good. I have AT&T, so mine's pretty good. So playback, a lot of people don't use playback. It's a DVR, built-in DVR, holds 86 channels. It's their channels that they choose, mostly sports and news and a couple other little programs that you can use. But it does hold it for a week, and it does work, and it works pretty good. Also right here on backup TV, a lot of people don't use this, but this is pretty good because you got 2 apps in one. You got live TV and you got VOD all together. You could just flip through these pretty easily. So, yeah. Welcome to my channel. I hope you like it. I hope you come back. Need to know anything, please reach out to me. Let me know. Send me a message or something. Let me know that you need to know something. I'll help you out. I'm on this box every day. I'm breaking it down. From what I understand, people are going to be bringing me other boxes so I can break those down too and learn them and teach people about them. So if you got any questions, please reach out. Don't hesitate. I'm here. Hopefully you subscribe and you like my channel. I've just started, and see where it goes from here. Superbox Cheese out.